Hey, and welcome back to a new video. This time I will show you how to export as a vector from Figma. So if we want to export something as a vector, we need to use a vector format. So for Figma, that would be SVG that we are using as the right export option. And why do we want to do that? I will make a little example for you. So if we are exporting this little wizard as a PNG file, so we can save it just to my downloads folder, it will have the exact dimensions that we have here. So 116 pixels times 172 pixels. And if I move in the wizard here now again, it looks sharp or on this exact size. But if I increase the size, for example, of this wizard, you can see it gets very, very pixelated because these are all pixels and not paths. For example, if I use this wizard and he is a vector file and I can increase the size, it doesn't get pixelated because these are all paths that are connected. And now what we want to do is we want to export this little wizard as an SVG. And if we do that and I move the SVG back in again, we can see, okay, we can scale up and down as we like without the problem of being pixelated. And now I have another example. You could do the same if you are exporting, for example, a text also, or a frame with text. If I want to do it as a PNG or JPEG, it looks like this. You make it big, it's blurry. And if you want to do it as a SVG, now we will save it and move the frame back in. You will see no pixelation, and I can also select all the separate elements inside. So this is basically how you export as an SVG from Figma. And always be aware, obviously you can only export something as an SVG that is already a vector in Figma. So imagine we have an image in here. So for example, I can just make a screenshot that we have in here. And if I would export this one, it doesn't work. So it will still get pixelated if I make it big or small, because it is already not a vector file, it is a pixel file. So always keep that in mind. Hope you liked the video. If yes, thumbs up or follow the account. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. Otherwise, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.